Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best cameras of 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 5. Fujifilm X100V. A compact camera styled like something from the 1950s, with a fixed 23mm f2 lens, yet the model's predecessors have become iconic among photographers, and the X100V looks set to follow suit. Understated and timeless, there's something very special about that compact retro body. The X100V keeps what works, only tweaking what it needs to. There's now a very handy tilting touchscreen and a weather-resistant body, although you need to add a filter to the lens to get full weather sealing. The series' fixed aperture lens setup has always been fantastic for street and portrait photography, and results are only better now that Fujifilm's added a new 26.1MP APS-C sensor paired with the latest X processor 4. Autofocus is faster, noise control better, and image quality improved. The hybrid EVF, both optical and electronic, packs a higher resolution, too. 4. Sony A7 III. Despite its age, we still love the A7 III. The core of the camera, namely a 24MP full-frame sensor, 4K video, sensor-based image stabilization, 10fps burst shooting and a 693-point hybrid AF system, remains very competitive, but with 2 card slots and a 710-shot battery life on top of that. Some firmware updates have further refined its AF performance, bringing treats like real-time IAF for animals, and there's now a huge range of lenses to choose from. We have some slight reservations about the viewfinder and weather sealing, but the A7 III is still one of the most versatile cameras around, and it's never offered better value either. 3. Fujifilm X-S10. It's hard to think of another camera that offers the same blend of size, performance, affordability, and charm as the Fujifilm X-S10. For both hobbyists and pros looking for a small second body, it's an excellent option that covers all the bases for stills and video. You get a tried and tested 26.1MP APS-C sensor, the same as the one in the Fujifilm X-T4, see above, and, impressively for a camera this small, in-body image stabilization, IBIS. This feature, which helps you preserve image quality while shooting handheld, can also be found in some small Sony and Olympus cameras, but none of those offer the X-S10's excellent handling or range of features. It has a handy vari-angle screen, great build quality, and shoots impressive 4K video, too. Pair it with a prime lens and you have a fine travel or street camera. Thanks to X-S10's large grip, though, it'll also match nicely with longer lenses as well. 2. Canon EOS R6. While the Canon EOS R5 is overkill for most people, the EOS R6 is a more affordable full-frame alternative that is simply one of the best cameras. If you already own one of Canon's early mirrorless full-framers like the EOS R, or any of its DSLRs, this is a more than worthy upgrade. The EOS R6 brings best-in-class autofocus, a superb in-body image stabilization system, and burst shooting powers that mark it out as a very fine camera for wildlife or sports photography. Despite its ability to shoot 4K, 60p video, the EOS R6 lacks options like the ability to DCI 4K and has overheating limitations compared to rivals like the Sony A7 III, making it better suited to stills photographers. But for the latter, it's an excellent option that delivers hugely impressive autofocus, handling, and features that make it one of the best options around for anyone looking to move into full-frame photography. 1. Fujifilm X-T4. Looking for a hybrid camera that's just as capable at shooting video as it is stills? The Fujifilm X-T4 is the best option around. It's the finest APS-C camera we've ever tested and builds on the Fujifilm X-T3's impressive foundation by adding in-body image stabilization (IBIS), faster burst shooting, and some successful design tweaks. Adding to its all-rounder skills are a bigger battery, which keeps it going for 500 shots per charge, and some improved autofocus, which is fast and reliable in most scenarios. Its 26MP APS-C sensor remains class-leading for stills, but the X-T4's real trump card is its performance as a video camera.